Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is tranquil. It is pronounced Tranquil, and it is spelt T-R-A-N-Q-U-I-L. Think tran and then quill, like the feathered pen but with only one L. Tranquil means peaceful and calm, free from disturbance or agitation. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about a peaceful and calm state. For example, you could say, the lake was tranquil and mirrored the surrounding mountains. Or, the forest was tranquil and filled with birdsong. Or, the garden was tranquil and provided a peaceful retreat. The word tranquil comes from the Latin word tranquillus, which means calm. The word had been used in English since the 15th century to describe a peaceful and calm state. In the movie Finding Nemo, the fish all live in the coral reef. The reef is a tranquil and safe place where Nemo and his friends can live and thrive. This is compared to the dangers of the open ocean. What places do you find tranquil? Synonyms for tranquil include peaceful, calm, serene, and restful. Antonyms include chaotic, disturbed, and agitated. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, tranquil. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.